Alright, it's watertight. It's ready.
Waterproof.
It has a little bit of battery.
Now
clean?
wipe it on you.
Thank you. Is it clear enough? Oh no, you made it worse. Ah, lovely. That's better. Alright.
Much better.
Oh, did we get a bunch? Alright! Woo! You made a big splash! Is it that Saya's turn? Or is it Didi's turn? You be good, babe. It's actually not that bad. No, it doesn't hurt at all. Just feet first. And lean your head a little bit forward, you'll be fine. It's actually not that bad. It just looks bad when Craig comes because he's 10 kilos heavier than you. That was kind. Come on, babe. Yay, did it! Woohoo! I told you it wasn't bad.
Fuck this shit. Get out.
No? You did a good splash. It wasn't too bad for the next though. That was good.
Oh, that was freezing.
Ah, it's cold, but it wasn't hard on your neck.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's just cold.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's what I mean.
Alright. One last time.
Again. Yep. Woo!
What do you think?
Goodbye! You did well! I'm gonna get out. Alright, you can swim towards the ladder. Should we swim together?
Craig, come down! Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh, you didn't go under.
Swimming up with him?
Go, 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 go!
Yay!
Come on, Natey!
Come on, Nate!
Sarah doesn't realise the boat's about to leave in 2 seconds.
Tell her to...
Here's Grandma, about to drop. Sarah. Oh. You gonna do it, Natey?
It was great doing the slide.
What about down here? You gonna do it? You gonna do it?
No.
No. Alright, here we go. You sure? You wanna come with me? Last chance. It's deep, but you come back up. Alright, here we go.
Bye-bye.
Ready? Ready?
Bye!
Bye.
I was more worried about letting this go than...
Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Here's Big No-No. Go! Go!
Told you I couldn't fit close.
Yeah, Natey, how was that?
Was that good? Oh, alright. Kick your legs away. Now there it is. Now it's recording. It's really fun here.
How's that, honey?
Crazy!
But how was the slide?
That's when you're gonna jump now, hey? Now it's on. Now it's normal. Alright. Where is she? Where did she go? She jumped?
Yeah, she come back up. She slid down the slide.
Oh, she slid down. I thought she jumped.
No, she's going to.
Oh, she's going to jump?
Yeah. Still want you to swim out and round.
Oh, yeah, whatever.
See, somebody can actually swim. Nobody's something. Drifting along.
They're snorkeling along. All right, it's up and running, Kim.
Jump.
For your jump. I can hold on to it, and I can take you from beneath. Yeah, here you go. It doesn't go out too easily, right?
No.
What?
It's thinking about looking at it and going, oh, the water's coming through.
It's awesome! Here comes Craig! You can jump together! Woo! It's actually a really pleasant hike.
Huh?
It's a pleasant hike. Let's watch the snorkeler.
How was that?
Oh my god! I think I like the slide better.
Slide is fun, but the jump is good.
Oh my hair.
I can't believe you did it.
I can't believe I did it. That's a lot higher than the thing I jumped off last time. Oh.
Yeah. Absolutely magnificent. Here we are in the beautiful Blue Lagoon. Once again, jumping and diving off the top. Been down the slide, jumped off the top, had an absolute ball. See ya.